This is a Ram Power Wagon Gas 2500, 2022. Fog lights, has the winch on the front. Big tires, really nice rims. Got a lot of tread left on those tires. Power step, power seats. Got a little bit dirty, people getting in and out of it. We'll get all that cleaned up for you. That won't be a problem. Gonna have a bed liner already in it. My name is Drew. Call me at 931-684-6800.